Hello guys, this is Jeffrey from Success with WP or WordPress101.com. Today we'll be talking about how to change the percent sign to other characters and place it before or after the number using the number counter module in Divi. Okay, so here's what we're looking at. So normally this is how number counter module will look. The number is on the left and the percent sign is on the right. But what we can do is one sample is having the new icon or symbol to the left of the number, or even having words before or after the number. All right, so let's get to it. So I'm assuming that you already have a number counter module in one of the pages that you have, but then here let's make a new one. So let's use the number counter module here, and again, so here it is the normal one. And what we're going to do first is to go to elements, turn off the percent sign, and then advanced. So CSS ID and classes, we add a CSS class to it. So let's say for this one, for this example, let's add change hyphen icon. Save changes and then save it here also. All right, so now that we have that, we're going to add a CSS code targeting that CSS class. And so we go back to the tutorial here, and then we have the code in here. So as you can see, this dot change hyphen icon is the CSS class that we added. So you can change the CSS class to whatever you want, but make sure to change this when you do. All right, so now that that's saved, we go to our dashboard, Divi, theme customizer. This is where we're going to add the CSS code. I prefer to add it in here through the theme customizer, and then we click on the additional CSS down here. All right, so you can add the code above or at the bottom. I prefer the bottom, so we're going to the bottom here, and so we just paste that. And you can see here again, change icon is here. This is the CSS class that we just added, and then the before here is we're going to put the new symbol to the left of the number, so before the number. And then now we're going to have a dollar sign instead of the percent sign with this new with the CSS code. So let's publish that. Okay, publishing, loading. All right, now we have done that. So we exit Visual Builder, open link new so we can see what happened. And now here you can see the percent sign is now a dollar sign, and it's before the number. So that's pretty simple. And now, so just for some additional tutorials, maybe if you want to have the another character after the number, what we're going to do is go back to our CSS code. So again, everything is the same here, and then we can have the after. So this is what if you want to have the symbol or icon or character after the number, this is what we're going to do to the right. And so let's add an at symbol here. So publish that. And so what we expect to see is having this icon or symbol after the number. So again, here, so we refresh the page, and then here. So now let's just make it more interesting. Like, why don't we add a word before the number? So here we put before, and then let's say more than space. So that's why there's a space here, because if you don't add a space, it will be sticking to the number. So let's add a space before after the more than word, and then let's publish that. Publishing, and now we go back here and let's refresh, and then there we go. You can see more than space and then 50. So that's it. So you can play around with that. You can change the percent sign to a word, a character, or a symbol, and you can place it before or after the number. So there you go. That's pretty simple actually. And if you need help, please do leave a comment and I'll be happy to help. And if this video has helped you, please do like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, thank you.